inside I saw this yellow submarine one, and it's really pretty when you when you see it in the bathtub. I can't really describe what it smells like, but I'm definitely going to take one of these. Oh, and the Intergalactic one is also really famous. See, it's really lots of glitters inside and many colors, so I'm going to get one of these too. And this one is one I have at home, Twilight. It's pink on the outside, but it will be purple on the inside. And they have so sakura, the big sleeve, green coconut, many. And the dragon's egg. Oh, this smells amazing. It's like lemon. Really good. This one, it looks really interesting. It's like bomb. Funny title, but smells also good. So this one too. One more bath bomb I'm really interested in is this Guardians of the Forest. It's a very clean smell, so I'm going to try this one out too. It's said to be really beautiful with blue and green in your bathtub. I can't wait to try it out. So that's it for bath bombs today. 5. It's already expensive enough probably. Also, these shampoo bars are great actually. This one smells like orange, and I've tried the honey. I washed my hair, and it's just one of my favorites. You want to eat it, it's so good. And this avocado cold wash, I've tried it too. It's also just great. I'm also interested in getting a すみません、動画撮ってもよろしいでしょうか？いいと思います。すごいいい匂いしていますね。はい、ローズ。はい。これもいいですし、あとなんか日焼けとかで、例えばセンシティブなところが髪とかがねやったら落ち着かせてくれるのはこれいいと思うんですけど、ちょっとその皮脂を抑えるカラミンっていうのが入っているので。まあこれを使って大丈夫な人もいれば、これ使ってちょっと乾燥するからこっちの人っていう人もいる。そうですか。Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura and today we're going to do a huge Lush haul. Like, I'm not kidding. I've got 2 big bags full of goodies and I'm going to run over them with you together since I really like Lush. But first and foremost, please subscribe down below. It would really mean a lot for me and it would help my channel grow a lot. So please subscribe, and yeah, let's jump into this video. So I have 2 bags full of Lush goodies, and the first one is this one. I actually didn't get this today, but let's show you guys what's inside. So I got bath bombs. I really like taking baths, but lately I haven't really been taking any since it's just a little bit too hot in Japan. But today I'm going to take one finally. And yeah, this first bath bomb is is a simple bluish one, blue, like more aquamarine, and it's called Avobath. It's an avocado bath bomb and it smells great. So this one has avocado in it, like the name says, and also lemongrass and bergamot essential oils. So if you take a bath with this one, your skin will feel really nice, soft and nourished after you've taken a bath. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. This bath bomb is probably the one I'm most excited to try out, literally. Like, the smell is not, how to say, it's so-so. Like, it's not one of my favorite smells. It's not bad or anything, it's just, I'm not a big fan of mint smell scents. But anyways, this is the one I'm going to try out. So it looks like that. It's called Intergalactic and has little sparkles in there, and yellow and pink and blue, and they say this is great if you pop it in the bathtub. So that's the one I'll be using today, and I can't wait to show you. I'll include a time lapse for it. And the second bath bomb I have is this one, the orangey yellow one, and it's called Over and Over. And this one was very special. I saw it being used in the Lush store, and outside, although it's orange, orange. No, I just spoiled it. Oh my gosh. So although it's orange and yellow on the outside, the inside is pink and blue, so it's really pretty once you try it. And yeah, it's really good too. My poor bath bomb. The third bath bomb I have is this one. Show up please. It has little stars in its exterior and it's called Twilight. So this is the first one I picked up at the Lush store, since the smell is just my favorite out of all of them. It smells like lavender and just really soothing smell. So it has lavender oil inside, and once you pop it into the water it will become purple, and after that indigo blue. So it's perfect for a night bath. Then next we have the thingies I picked up today once I went to the Lush store again. And this one is yellow submarine. Look how cute this is. So this one has a more tropical smell to it, maybe fruity even, since it's made with orange oil, with coriander and lemongrass. That was the last one. So this is more for the time when you want some energy or something. So yes, that's yellow submarine. Then I also picked up Guardian Forest, a green bluish one, which is really fresh scenting. Yeah, it's calming. It's the only thing I can say about it. It's very calming, very clean scent. I also picked up this one with a little flower inside. Don't get mistaken by the name, it's called Sex Bomb. Anyways, it smells really good, like candy almost. Like, I don't know, what's that smell? Like those pink Coca-Cola bottles that you have chewing gum from, not chewing gum, candy. It smells like that almost. But this one I merely picked up because of the colors, and there's flowers inside, so I can't wait to see that. And last but not least, there's the dragon's egg. No, I won't become any Daenerys Targaryen, unfortunately, but I can try. So this one smells mostly of lemon. Yeah, really strong lemon scents, and yeah, that's just great. I love this. I love anything citrusy. And there's multiple colors inside, but I don't really know how this will turn out. Only way to find out though is to see. Then I also picked up this upside down, this Catastrophe cosmetic mask. You just put it on there and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. And this is said to really help with irritated skin, skin that has been damaged by overusage of cosmetics, and it will help with redness, irritations, pimples and all those kinds of things. And I really hope it helps, since lately I've been having like red spots after I've washed my face a lot, and just getting some hormonal acne on my chin, and I really want to get rid of it. So I hope this will help with it a lot. It has blueberries, which are full of antioxidants, and yeah, let's just see what it does. Also, because I have some skin trouble right now, I picked up Grease Lightning, and it was recommended to use this product by a friend of mine, and she said it really works. So I thought, like, why not give it a try? It's mostly, I think, if not completely natural things, so probably it will work really well. And if it doesn't, then I know. And last we have Let the Good Times Roll. This is a cleanser, and I just sold. I wasn't planning on buying a cleanser or anything, but yeah, that happened. And this is just the best scent. It has actually popcorn in there because it's made with corn and buttery things, and I tried it out on my hands and it made it super soft and feeling nourished. And yeah, I can't wait to try this out too. It is a little bit of scrubs texture, so it will really work well for getting rid of like dirt and impurities in your skin. At least that's what I hope and what the people told me. Yeah, that was it. I don't have anything else to show you, but thank you for tuning in today, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Please subscribe if you're not already did, and yeah, I'll see you next time. I upload videos every week, so please stay tuned.